I'm FocusDan, this is the Gadget Rum Club, and you're tuned into the ultimate junction where high-tech meets high spirits. Prepare for an exhilarating episode that's a true feast for your senses and curiosity. This is the Gadget Rum Club Podcast. First, we dive into the future with the University of Texas at Austin's brain-computer interface. This isn't just technology, it's magic at your fingertips. Imagine playing games or navigating devices using only your thoughts. This groundbreaking innovation could revolutionize accessibility, offering new horizons for people with motor disabilities. Next, we spotlight the sleek Fujifilm INSTAX MINI 99. This camera is a masterpiece of design, merging the nostalgia of instant photography with the thrill of modern technology. With its innovative color effects and versatile shooting modes, it's transforming the way we capture moments. Then, we delve into the world of Captain Morgan Private Stock Rum. This is where luxury meets legacy. Each sip is a journey through a rich tapestry of flavors aged to sheer perfection. Whether it's the heart of a sophisticated cocktail or enjoyed on its own, this rum is a celebration of craftsmanship and fine taste. We're not just talking about gadgets, photography, and spirits. We're exploring stories, experiencing breakthroughs, and savoring every moment. Join us for an episode that's a thrilling ride through innovation, creativity, and luxury. This is the Gadget Rum Club Podcast, where the future meets tradition and excitement meets elegance. I'm your host, FocusDan. Let's get this show on the road.
Welcome to the Gadget Rum Club.
And now let's delve into the fascinating subject matter from a recent SciTechDaily.com news article about brain control interfaces. This piece takes us into an incredible world where science fiction becomes reality, showcasing a breakthrough that could redefine our interaction with technology. Prepare to be amazed as we explore this innovative development and its potential to revolutionize the way we connect with the digital world. Let's dive in.
Technology news brought to you by SciTechDaily.com.
Today, we're exploring an amazing development from the University of Texas at Austin, featured on SciTechDaily.com. Researchers there have created a brain-computer interface that's really groundbreaking. Imagine playing a video game like Mario Kart, but instead of using a controller, you're using just your thoughts. That's what this new technology does. What's special about this brain-computer interface is that it uses machine learning to adapt to the user, which is great news for people with motor disabilities. Usually, these devices need a lot of individual setup because everyone's brain is different. But this new device is different too. It learns and calibrates itself to each user, making it a lot more accessible. So how does it work? Users wear a special cap filled with electrodes. These electrodes pick up the electrical signals from the brain. Then, a computer decodes these signals into actions in the game, like turning the steering wheel in Mario Kart. The team at the University of Texas also hopes this tech can be used beyond gaming. They're looking at applications like brain-controlled wheelchairs and rehabilitation devices. This could really improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. It's a thrilling peek into the future of technology and how it can help make lives better. And it's a great example of how far we've come in understanding and utilizing the incredible power of the human brain.
It's gadget time on the Gadget Rum Club.
Now, shifting from the fascinating world of brain-computer interfaces, let's transition to another realm of technological innovation. We're moving from a concept that feels like science fiction to a tangible gadget you can hold in your hands. Let's turn our focus to the Fujifilm INSTAX MINI 99, a camera that beautifully marries classic photography with modern tech advancements. This gadget is a perfect example of how everyday tools are evolving to enhance our creative expression. Let's dive into what makes the INSTAX MINI 99 a must-have for photography enthusiasts.
Fujifilm INSTAX MINI 99 camera.
Step into the world of instant photography with the Fujifilm INSTAX MINI 99. This camera is not just about taking pictures, it's an artistic statement with its elegant matte black finish. Fujifilm takes instant photography to new heights with the Mini 99. It's equipped with a unique color effect dial, unlocking 6 captivating effects like faded green and warm tone, bringing an artistic edge to every snapshot. The camera's magic extends with its internal LED lights. These lights skillfully expose selected colors onto the film, creating stunning visual effects. The brightness control dial is a game changer. It adapts to various lighting conditions, ensuring your photos always look their best. The Instax Mini 99 doesn't stop there. Its shooting modes are tailored for every situation. Indoor mode conquers low-light challenges, sports mode freezes fast action, and double exposure mode merges two images into a single artistic masterpiece. This camera is more than just a gadget. It's a conduit for creativity, accessible to both professionals and casual photographers. Fujifilm's Instax Mini 99 is a testament to the evolving world of photography, where traditional techniques meet modern innovation, transforming the way we capture and cherish our moments.
Now here's a story that probably didn't happen.
Hey folks, strap in for the tale of my tech-filled week with a Captain Morgan twist. It all began with an article on SciTechDaily.com about a brain-computer interface from the University of Texas at Austin. Picture this: playing video games using just your thoughts? Naturally, I tried to extend my newfound powers to everyday tasks. I even attempted to pour myself a glass of Captain Morgan private stock rum using nothing but sheer willpower. Spoiler alert, the rum didn't float through the air, but I did end up pouring myself a traditional, well-deserved drink. While sipping on my Captain Morgan, I read about the upcoming release of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. It hasn't hit the shelves yet, but its features sound like a photographer's dream. Caught up in the excitement, I pretended to have one, playfully snapping photos with my imaginary camera. I'd click and then sip, and then click and then sip. Well, you know what happened next, but I blended my passions for photography and fine rum. My roommate caught me in action, posing with my invisible camera and a very visible glass of rum. He quirkily remarked, "If only you could take photos with your mind and refill your glass with a thought." I chuckled and raised my glass to him. To innovation and imagination, powered by Captain Morgan. So there you have it. My hilarious week trying to navigate the future of technology while enjoying some good old Captain Morgan private stock rum. Who knew imaginary photography and a touch of rum could make for such a memorable mix? Cheers to that, and cheers to you.
Now it's time to talk about rum on the Gadget Rum Club.
Hey listeners, it's FocusDan here, and today I'm excited to share why Captain Morgan private stock rum holds a special place not just in my heart, but also in our podcast. It's the official rum of our show. And while I want to emphasize that I am not affiliated with Captain Morgan in any personal capacity, there's a reason this particular rum resonates so strongly with us. So why is Captain Morgan private stock rum the official rum of our podcast? It's all about the flavor and the memories it evokes. Each glass is a blend of smooth vanilla and rich spices, a flavor profile that's both complex and inviting. This rum is perfect for sipping straight, echoing the depth and richness we strive to bring to our podcast discussions. But it goes beyond taste. Captain Morgan private stock has been a part of many significant moments, mirroring the experiences we share and discuss on our show. It's about the stories, the laughter, and the shared experiences, much like the topics and conversations we dive into each episode. And when it comes to versatility, this rum is a true champion. Just like our podcast, it fits perfectly into any scenario. Whether we're celebrating a milestone episode or just enjoying a casual chat, Captain Morgan private stock enhances the moment. So here's the Captain Morgan private stock, a drink that's not just enjoyable, but also an integral part of the Gadget Rum Club podcast experience. As we continue to explore the worlds of technology, photography, and fine spirits, this rum is with us every step of the way, adding a touch of luxury and a lot of flavors to our journey. Remember, as we enjoy our favorite spirits, let's do so responsibly and savor the rich experiences they bring to our lives. Cheers, everyone. And that's a wrap on today's episode, folks. We've covered some truly fascinating ground today. From the University of Texas at Austin's brain-computer interface that might soon have us controlling tech with our minds, to the eagerly anticipated Fujifilm Instax Mini 99, blending vintage vibes with modern technology. And of course, our beloved Captain Morgan private stock rum, the official rum of the Gadget Rum Club podcast. It's been with us through thick and thin, just like a reliable gadget, always ready to add a little extra flavor to our discussions. Just remember, unlike some tech that needs constant upgrades, the only update Captain Morgan private stock needs is when you refill your glass. So whether you're mind controlling your devices, snapping imaginary photos with future cameras, or sipping on a smooth glass of rum, remember to enjoy the simple pleasures and the big innovations in life. I'm FocusDan signing off. Keep your gadgets close, your rum closer, and your passion for innovation the closest. Stay curious, stay creative, and as always, enjoy your tech and your rum responsibly. Cheers until next time.